Okay, so I was like writing this email for a client, and then this one thought that stuck in my mind, and that I thought like, why not share it via video with my people, right, or my audience. So I have seen that like landing your first client without any previous work or without any previous proof is like really hard. That is what people think, but in my opinion it's like super simple to land your first client without any previous work. Like this is how I actually did it, right? So it all comes down to all the simple steps, which is first build a strategy, right? Pick a platform. It can be X, it can be LinkedIn, or it can be any platform that you are comfortable with, right? And then start posting there. Start posting there on a daily basis. See what are the posts that worked, see what are the posts that flopped, like, right? And then repeat what worked and learn from the posts that flopped, right? And then go and hop on as many networking calls as possible. Now when you are hopping on a networking call, make sure you are hopping on people who have the ability to refer you, right? So the main motive, definitely, if the first motive will be to be friends with them, sorry, yeah. And then the second thing will be to ask them if they know anyone who might be benefited from your services. Now go on calls with those who has the ability to refer you. For example, let's say you are a ghostwriter, right? And you go and hop on a sales call with another ghostwriter. Will they ever refer you? No, right? They will never. So try to go on networking calls with people who have like an agency knowledge. For example, let's say someone who's into design, right? UI UX designing. So you go and hop on calls with them, ask them like have like little chat, just like you have with your friends, right? And then ask them if they know anyone whom they can refer you to, right? And that is literally it, right? Like do this for like next few weeks, and I'm pretty sure that you will see the results, because that is how I landed my first client, right? So yeah, like give this a go. Let me know what you think. Like give this a go, and if this worked, do let me know, right? I'm pretty sure it will work for you. It just you have to be consistent and you have to be patient enough, right? It will not happen overnight, but yeah, give it some time, be consistent with it, and you will see results. And by the way, before I end this video, this is my first video, right? I am pretty scared of filming myself in front of my camera, but I thought, why not get over this fear and post my first video on whatever platform I'm posting this to. I'm not sure if I'm posting this on YouTube. I'm not sure if I'm posting this on X. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is the my first video, and I'm pretty sure I'll be filming more of this in the near future. And also, sorry for the background noise. I'm also thinking of investing in a mic, because I'm from India, and like the situation in India, like people are honking all the time. So yeah, I mean, that is it. Let me know if this video is helpful, and do give this hack a go. Bye.